the event of an emergency, hurricane, our maintenance forces are the first line of defense. We're the guys blazing the trail for first responders and emergency vehicles to get down the roadways. You know, we're cutting the trees off. There's heavy equipment out there pushing the brush out of the way to allow the emergency responders to get to the places they need to be. Our guys are on call 24/7. They respond to any emergency. You know, a tree falls in a thunderstorm or a wreck, they come out and work with the highway patrol, maybe setting up lane closures or traffic control, or bringing sand if there's a spill, and working with emergency managers. Also, we work with local elected officials, the public, developers to help facilitate developments that'll impact the MDOT's right-of-way and the traveling public, and make sure we can keep them safe.
The first section is on year one, then the second section is on year two, and then we'll complete it in year two.
Perfect. Have it knocked out all the way through the county.
Yes.
I get out as much as I can. I wish I could get out more, but unfortunately, we get chained to this desk with paperwork and responsibilities here, and the facilitating part of our job to try to help our guys get what they need. That was our asphalt crew, our district asphalt crew. They had just completed a 3-mile overlay on Highway 13 in Pearl River County. They were moving equipment off the road. They had just tied in, and they'll be moving on down to take care of some patching at some trouble spots down the road. The research division provides us with data, along with we actually go out and put our eyes on each route and prioritize our overlay and our preventative maintenance schedule with that, a combination of that data and physical inspections, to make sure we can keep our roads as safe as possible for the traveling public. My favorite thing about the job is the variety. You know, there's a whole lot of different aspects to the job. There's always something new coming, and sometimes it's coming when you least expect it. The best thing for us is we have a great bunch of guys. Our crews do a really good job. They're the ones actually having to shift gears to get out and change what they're doing to move to something else. You know, we help coordinate that and facilitate that and get them all the things that they need to be successful in the job, but I can't say enough about those guys and gals that they're the ones that really get it done.
Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for new exciting content in the next episode of People of MDOT.